Maji, did you go in the garbage? Let me see. The laundry basket, the garbage. You are so naughty.
Rubbish everywhere. But look! What's wrong, Socks? What's wrong with you? You stuck, are ya? So
Who tore up the Kleenex? Gnarly? Gnarly? Did you do that? Did you do this right here? Who tore that Kleenex up? Casey? Casey, did you tear the Kleenex up? I think you did.
Sadie, what did you do?
What did you do,
Sadie,
you
come
bad
on.
girl?
Hey, what happened here?
Who
What
did
happened
it?
here?
Who
What happened?
did it? Who did it? Who's the bad girl?